demo of Q4OS. Q4 is a Linux operating system. It's free, as are all the programs. So it's a bit of a Windows lookalike. It looks like Windows XP or Windows 7 maybe. So once it's installed, there's a couple of quirks. One is that every time you start, you've got to right-click on the network and click on your Wi-Fi to connect. And the other quirk I found was that sound wouldn't work because it was muted. So you right-click and unmute. Or you can left-click and go to the mixer and you can adjust all your levels. So as I say, it's a bit of a Windows lookalike. Programs. So I've installed quite a bit of stuff, but there's plenty more you can install. This being 32-bit is a wee bit slow, but I just don't open too much stuff at one time, that's all. So you can install, remove, and upgrade software using Sympatic. Or the other way is to use a terminal console. So for instance, you can use sudo apt-get update. Sudo is the SEPA user. So it trundles off and updates the repositories. Being 32-bit, you can't do too much at once, but that's okay. I just do sort of one thing at a time. So with Linux, there's about 50,000 programs and they're all free. So. And the other thing about Linux is mostly it's just plug and play rather than like Windows, which is plug and pray. So that's the update, and then you can go upgrade. So if you just hit tab, it'll just complete the word for you. So it pays to do an update, I don't know, once a fortnight, once a month. So ls is just list. You can go cd, just change directory. Dmessage is good because it tells you what's going on in the background or what's not going on. So if you have a problem, you can check on here maybe and see what's happening. List the USB tells us, so I've got a mouse, keyboard, Skype phone, hub, and a camera. So there's lots of other commands. Top tells you how much RAM you've got and what's happening, what processes are working, and so the one with the camera is called Cheese. So as I say, it's a bit of a Windows lookalike. You just got programs. So I've installed quite a few programs, but there's plenty more if you want them. I'm using LibreOffice, and AbiWord is a bit of a backup. So I find it pretty good.